live on CMC announcement. So currently, CMC is looking for a social media manager. So guys, I think this is one of the greatest opportunities you should be taking. You should be taking advantage of. It says here, you can apply to become part of the operational meme lord. I said apply to become our operational meme lord, guys. So it tells you how fun this job is going to be. So all you need to do is to be I think all you need to do is just to manage their social media accounts and you're good to go. So we're going to be going over to the job announcement. But meanwhile, before that, we're going to be looking at people's feedbacks. So this just got posted. This is a recent update. So we're going to look at some people's feedbacks to see how interested they should be in this project. So you want to make your CV ready. You want to apply, you want to drop, or say much professional. Okay, let's see. Very strong brother, thanks for sharing these wonderful and best wishes. Okay, so basically you need me. Okay, so I think there are lots of people that will be interested in this project, so you want to try as much as possible to edge against these your competitors. So one of the bonus tips for jobs like this is that you need to have a good CV. So you can pay someone in any of these freelancing websites to get a professional curriculum vitae CV, then cover letter, so your application looks smooth. Then also uh, added advantages are really when you have crypto inclined, when you have lots of knowledge on the cryptocurrency market. So if you've done lots of projects regarding cryptocurrency, or you've worked in other crypto industry, I think it's an added advantage. So also you want to be a computer techie personnel. You want to know how to you want to be familiar with social media, how it works. Then if you have a good social media following, it also help, and your lots of experience. Those are some of the perks. So currently live here, and this is a full-time job. You can apply from anywhere. So working with CoinMarketCap is a good this thing, a good benefits, an unlimited vacation policy, mentorship, crypto training, and more. So these are some of the perks you get. The Coinmarket careers are not for everyone, and that's okay. So casual work attire, your home, flexible working hours, which is remote, great career development, strong sense of responsibility and resistance to stress. I enjoys working 24/7. Crypto does not sleep. So proactively finds, creates content to publish on holidays. So able to take on additional responsibility, strong sense of responsibility and resistance to stress. So the role, same is looking for social media manager for crypto native content publisher who is also meticulous in the operational side of content management. So this individual should be able to craft social events and manage a content calendar. So social primary responsibilities include content. You cooperate with existing social media manager and supplement gap contents to existing content calendar. So events coordinate periodic and social sharing events on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit. I think they are also getting on TikTok very soon. So you or YouTube too. So you want to be aware of that. So you choose winner, distribute reward. This will be a primary responsibility. Say ad posting, coordinate with projects and post sponsored ads as designated dates. So you want to share requests to accept requests from team members, craft content according to request, and share on social media. So you want to launch coordination, prepare to share content on a predetermined timeline in order to simultaneously push launches. So the social general responsibility is that engage and build communities, analyze social media landscape to supply actionable insights, innovate and implement test and learn strategies along with delivering results, measure and report. So there are loads of them, guys. So you need 3 to 5 years of experience in social media related roles. Native or fluent English is a must. So you need to be fluent of English. Experience in the blockchains like crypto space is a plus. A meme connoisseur and creator. Keen sense and understanding of crypto markets in general. Demonstrate a clear and concise style of communication with a creative font spin when relevant. They're well versed with Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, and Telegram. A bonus is if you're familiar with YouTube, TikTok, and also Discord. So I think that's a bonus tip. So if you have a Discord account or you've been familiar with Discord, TikTok, and YouTube, It's another. But basically, you want to apply for this job, showcase what you have, and you're good to go. So, guys, wishing you guys success on this your endeavor. Should buy keys. Stay tuned for more uploads. Peace out, guys.